You see me have some money put on in there.
Money?
Yeah, me have been 3,000 US put on in the bag in the closet. And I can't find it, you know?
No, Dad, I didn't see any money. I would have.
But I'm wondering and I know I'm not drunk.
Dad, you're sure you're not just saying that because you don't want to give Skinny any money?
Cookie, so why would I style my son? You think I'm pulling off some style or something?
I mean, that's unreal. Like, how can you obviously like you just suddenly can't find any money?
Yes, Skinny, I have some money in the closet there and I can't find it. You see any money littering around?
No, Pops, I know nothing about no money, Pops.
I wonder where the money they to blast.
Are you even serious, Dad?
Cookie, why are you smiling like that?
Because it's just money. All of a sudden, money missing.
That to show you that it's really missing for real because you don't hear me come up every day with something like this.
Well, you better get on a treasure hunt, Dad, cause.
Yes, Pops.
Skinny, you happen to see any money cause I have some money in the closet and I can't find it.
No, Pops. I don't agree.
I believe he's joking, Skinny, because he don't want to.
You know, say I feel like it's Cookie take up the money.
Dad, you're better. He's joking. He's obviously.
Cookie. So why are you smiling and laughing like
Pops,
that?
you don't know about the money, Pops. So I don't kind of statement.
That's why I don't believe you.
Kind of statement that, Pops.
Skinny.
Pops, I don't know anything about that money.
Money. 3,000 US dollar.
I have the money put on there, Cookie. So
It couldn't have been me, Dad.
to blast.
This is unreal. These heroes. Money is so for true. Money me so 3,000 US. Awesome. Pops, let's talk about money missing. Let me check mine, cause I know nothing that can't be real. Right? I know I have couple K well, but a stash US them enough. Yet. What? Where's my money? Hey. Where's my money? No, this can't be real. This can't be real with my money. Where's my money? This can't be. This is not happening to me. Skinny! Skinny! Skinny!
I'm dead. I'm dead.
Me. You didn't see some money. I put in money.
What money?
My money.
What money? What money, Cookie?
I was saving some money. You know, whenever I get money, like I don't spend everything. I save.
Money. Cookie. What kind of money are you talking about?
We are talking about, Cookie.
Skinny, I miss my money.
Skinny. So you have money.
Skinny. Man, are you troubling money now? Because you here ask me from when about
After
money, money, money.
if you talk about me trouble money, me not thief nobody money. I person not thief in my house.
So what?
But listen me man, any thief go and half in my blood. So if me a thief, you a thief too. Me no kind of alligator.
So I get to know. And they say it reach to. Disrespect start coming out.
Where part to put the money? Where part to put the money?
As somebody take up the money.
In the closet.
See you look good? Me good.
Me miss money in the set, you know. Me don't know who wanna deal with, you know. Cause all of a sudden money start missing. We used to put on money anyway now. And nobody now in trouble it and all of a sudden money start missing. Yo, we can't bother with this man.
Where's my money? Skinny.
Dear Irene, I wish that you could be here. The apple trees have grown to be so tall. It's been years and tears between.
Hey, boy, in the salika. I can't buy. One tea.
You don't understand, Taj.
So, me understand that you want tea. Cookie. One tea.
I lost all of my money.
All your money.
All of my money that I was saving.
What do you mean you lost all your money? Wait a minute. You take your money from you?
Are you crazy? How can Skinny take my money? You don't know I'm the one who takes Skinny money.
So which party gone? That more have to know.
You're asking me. I said I put all of my savings in the closet. And now when I look, it's not there.
So Cookie, you sure say now Mr. Dice take your money?
That even came out earlier saying he lost his money. And I was thinking he's just saying that because he don't want to give Skinny any money. But no, I understand that it's the truth.
Wait.
Somebody took all the money.
Wait. Cookie, what if a girl chase it, hijack on her, grab on her money? Watch her not remember so we don't have that girl close in our house, you know. All of her family, you know.
Skinny and his father. I told him, you know.
I just feel like that girl they hijack on the money, you know.
Jesus.
Just have to take a look on it real good at me and say, yo, that look like
Don't tell me
real
that
hijack.
little stupid girl come and take all my hard-earned money.
How that girl reach all in that place?
Can't be possible.
Just remember say we do come to be my higher, you know, man.
We-
Can't see a wrong move we make to, you know.
You convinced me.
But I think it's a good girl. I think it's a good girl in time I see her on the road and she just ask some question, you know. I think it's a good girl, you know.
All my money is gone.
Just easy. Watch out, tap good on the ground, man. Come on. A man in no, man. Come on, nobody say keep yourself. Come now, be. It go alright. Everything will go alright. Trust me, no, just trust and believe in me. Say it go alright. We are gonna make one plan. We are gonna figure out a plan.
A broke plan, Taj.
Boy. I said I plan to feel me, but I have to think about something else. You don't believe me? If you want better, you know, you have to get a solution, you know. I have to try to get a solution.
You don't even understand the amount of money. Skinny money, skinny father's money. Everybody money, my spending money, the grocery money, I save everything. Everything.
You should have put it up more careful then, man. You should have put it up more careful, man. You
I
shouldn't have
can
been
be
so
more
careless.
careful than my own house.
You own house, but people are walk up on you too.
People like you.
I'm not thief for money. You know what I'm saying? I'm not thief for money. You know what I'm saying? I'm not thief for money. I prefer me go live lavish and live life. You know, I live life to man with me.
Of course, I want to be able to live lavish. That's why I save all Skinny's money.
Yo.
Can you live a life, bro? Can you live a life, bro? A lavish life?
Yeah. Right. No. Wait, yo, this.
Okay.
Yo, just take that.
Okay.
You see that? Come.
Yes.
My money.
Yes,
If you take up.
what?
Okay.
I want to
I want one of this house, man. Who comes my money, Mr. Pop money, Mr. Okay.
Hey, babe.
Okay. Somebody take my money, you know.
What? See, no.
We have to make a plan.
Okay.
We have to make a plan.
Skinny is saying he lost his money, no.
That's why we have to make a plan. Listen up. Just listen. We have to make a plan.
I can't take it anymore. No.
You're so stubborn. Listen to me. Just stop being so emotional.
Emotional, bro.
Listen. We have to make a plan.
All my money is gone. I'm tired now.
So stop debate on the facts that the money gone. No. Listen when me say stop debate on the facts that the money gone. The plan we are going to make. Right?
My plan?
Listen. Go on to him. Just go on to him here. You have to say. We talk. What do you say?
A plan?
Just go on to talk.
Sure?
Yes. Just go on.